This just gets so exciting. Linen in the colors, oh, they're just beautiful. Let me show them. Okay, this is our first orange, and of course orange is the color of the year, and it just goes with everything. It's a beautiful, beautiful orange. We actually had a damage, it got cut through, but anyway. It's beautiful orange linen. It has stretch in one direction, but it's a really beautiful, stable fiber. You can really use both sides. One has a little sheen to it, the others, but you can see the drape is incredible. It goes with all of these. That's a little bit darker. It goes with all of them. Let me show you what I did. The dot, it goes with the dot. This is like I'm getting out of order. I'm just too excited. I'm getting out of order. Okay, so this one is a viscose. It's 100% viscose, has stretch in both directions, and again, great drape. You can see the drape on there is just incredible. And it's a white stripe. So I put the white in, but if you notice, this is like a cream, like an off-white linen, and I did that because a lot of ladies don't do white. They can't do the white. They do the cream. So you notice when you put this next to this, it looks cream. This stripe on this actually changes, so that's pretty cool. So it goes with the white, but it also goes with that cream. It does really well. This is the white linen. I was emailed to see if we had white. This has stretch in both directions, and it's just beautiful. It's just absolutely beautiful. I don't know what to say about it. It's gorgeous. This is a mesh, which is stunning. It's really, really beautiful. It is a white background. Again, I think with I'm going to show it to you so you can see it. I think this works. I could be wrong on that, but it's definitely a white. It looks better with the white, I think, but I think it could work with the cream. Just to let you know, this is a cotton poly. I'm sorry, it's a linen poly. It has stretch in both directions. Great drape again. Beautiful drape. Just 123 I can see would be gorgeous. This is a cotton poly. Now this is cheaper. I just put this in because it's the same oranges and it goes great with the white. It goes great with everything. It just looks really beautiful together. Textured, really beautiful textured. I don't even know which side is the right side. You can't tell. And then of course we have the cream linen, and you can see the difference between this is kind of creamy and this is more white. This has stretch in both directions. No, one direction. But again, it's just beautiful fabrics. They are very limited and cheaper today than they will be in the next few days. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.